So does anybody else Yorkie poo just like won't let them be alone? It's like a Velcro dog. Look at Tewsdai. Ain't it right, Tewsdai? Tewsdai. She's everywhere I am. I'm trying to take a bath and here she is. Tewsdai. 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 Hey girl. Can you let me be alone, please? I'll fix your hair for you. It's not a licking time. This is a time for. But then when I put her in the tub, she wants to get out. But when I'm in the tub, she wants to get in. Look at her. Leave me alone. Get away from me, donkey. Girl, goodbye. Tewsdai Dior, go. 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 Don't look at my hand, follow it. Go. Tewsdai, go. My God.